This is a Duet woodworking machine, combination and saw bench and planer. Was manufactured in the 1960s. More for DIY work, I would think, than anything. It's 7¼ inch saw blade, 4.5 inch planer, which I nicked off a Coronet Minor, using the Gryphon 1/2 horsepower motor, which I've also nicked off the Coronet set. It provides all what I need for actual small to medium sized woodworking jobs. I'll try and start it up in a minute and keep the camera steady. It's very smooth running, the bearings are fine, rise and fall blade, tilt table, and it does everything what I want it to do. I don't know whether anybody's familiar with this machine, but I don't think there's many of them about now. It normally runs on a Hoover motor, which I have. It's 1/2 horsepower Hoover motor, which is the same. Although I just prefer that one at the moment. But as you can see, everything works fine. It's a nice versatile little machine. Hopefully it'll last me for quite a few more years to come yet. Although I'd imagine I'm still a bit older than the machine, but anyway, there we go, that's what it is, and thanks for looking.